3, 2, 1.
What year was the GTO first offered as an option package for a Pontiac vehicle? The answer is D, 1964. Which human activity will help decrease air pollution? The answer is B, driving a hybrid car. Hormones, ions, and neurotransmitters are all types of what? The answer is C, chemical signals. What happens to a goldfish when it is kept in the dark? The answer is A, it turns a paler color. Where are Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid when the mayor is trying to organize a group to get out and kill them? The answer is D, on a balcony watching. What is the name given to the branch of physics dealing with the behavior of matter on an atomic or subatomic level? The answer is C, particle physics. Melting ice cubes and freezing water are examples of change of what? The answer is D, state. On the sitcom The Brady Bunch, the kids need money to buy a present for their parents' anniversary, so they decide to perform on a TV show under what name? The answer is D, the Silver Platters. What is the chief organ of the urinary system? The answer is D, kidney. Where was the so-called dunce hat used in 19th and 20th century? The answer is B, in schools. I invented the airplane, yet never traveled far. Who am I? The answer is A, engineer. What is the three-dimensional extension of a plane? The answer is C, plane. What is always hungry and eats circuits? The answer is C, resistors. What is the name of the famous painting by Grant Wood featuring a farm woman holding a pitchfork? The answer is A, American Gothic. What part of Fox healed Harry Potter's wound after the fight with the basilisk? The answer is C, tears. Which of the original Pac-Man ghosts is red? The answer is C, Blinky. Which of the following is a true statement? The answer is C, a robin has warm blood. The most abundant formed elements in blood, erythrocytes, are red, biconcave discs packed with an oxygen-carrying compound called this. The answer is D, hemoglobin. What would you call a baby owl? The answer is C, an owlet. Who is the second highest Lama in the Gelugpa lineage of Tibetan Buddhism? The answer is D. Panchen Lama. Who wrote the famous line, "I have a dream"? The answer is A. Martin Luther King Jr. What does the character Jerome say every time he comes on screen on the sitcom Martin? The answer is A. Jerome's in the house. I say Jerome's in the house. What does BC stand for in dating systems? The answer is A. Before Christ. The Ural Mountains are located in which continent? The answer is B. Asia. What type of footwear is traditionally worn in Spain, featuring a high, pointed heel and a narrow toe? The answer is A. Boots. Which language was Apple's first graphical operating system written in? The answer is C. Python. What is the largest river by discharge in India? The answer is A. Ganges River. What is the highest non-volcanic peak in the world? The answer is B. Everest. What type of festival is the Summerfest held annually in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, U.S.? The answer is B. Music Festival. What is the title of the book that describes the journey of Frodo Baggins? The answer is D. The Return of the King. What previously mentioned character was killed in Chapter 1 of Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince? The answer is B. Amelia Bones. What is the term for anything that can cause cancer? The answer is A. Carcinogen. A student practicing for the outdoor track team begins to sweat. To what stimulus is the body responding? The answer is B. An increase in body temperature. Who is the father of Lisa Marie Presley's twins, born on October 7, 2008? The answer is C. Michael Lockwood. Which one of these statements about the Seismosaurus, the earth-shaking lizard, is wrong? The answer is C. Its hind legs were shorter than its front legs. Which fruit has edible seeds called arils? The answer is A. Pomegranate. In the novel Don Quixote by Spanish author Miguel de Cervantes Saavedra, who is the witty squire and companion to Alonso de Villano? The answer is D. Sancho Panza. Which kitchen item is used for chopping and dicing? The answer is A. Chef's knife. In his career, Nall and Ryan had 5,714 strikeouts. How many of them came while he played with the Houston Astros? The answer is A, 1,866. Which two Great Lakes are connected by the Detroit River? The answer is B, Huron and Erie. Which human activity will help conserve Earth's natural resources? The answer is B, recycling plastic bottles. Who is the author of To Kill a Mockingbird? The answer is A, Harper Lee. What is the main ingredient in matzo ball soup? The answer is B, dumpling. What is the smallest of the 5 oceans? The answer is A, Arctic. Which two famous actors were acting teachers of Al Pacino? The answer is A, Charles Laughton and Lee Strasberg. How is the white woman appearing at the Belgian Tunnel in Switzerland described according to the urban legend? The answer is A, old woman in white clothes. Which of these institutions has the lowest reported level of alcohol drinking on campus? The answer is D, Brigham Young University. Which city has the highest annual rainfall? The answer is A, Mumbai. What is the world's fastest train? The answer is B, bullet train. Who sings Ave Maria in The Fifth Element?